Today, we will learn to trade rallying markets with full top-down analysis. However, I will also teach you an alternative and relaxed way of trading for all the beginner traders. If you are ready, let's do this. After all the manipulative and corrupted market moves, things are getting back to normal today. The moment you opened the charts today, this coin BCH was dominating the top gainers. The early rally started way back then with our classic trade setup of multi-imbalance taps. Of course, how did you find this? By using this lovely indicator, the ICT high time frame candles. I think it is probably the best Tradingview indicator that I ever used to spot entry locations. Later on, a very similar opportunity came back. However, this time it was just accumulated way too much before the final move. So, this is what we're gonna do today. Observe this specific area in detail and talk how can we make entries. Okay, within this 5-minute chart, this is the specific point the second rally started. Before we talk about the entry, I want to talk about where is the price heading. As you can see, there are very clear equal highs here as our initial target. But it is also the Monday high as well, an institutional level. We will also see soon about the daily imbalance. Now let's zoom in the area and talk about how can we place orders. Let's do something different. Let's draw our Fibonacci for the two rallies and get ideas. In the early rally, you can see that price drops to the EQ point of Fibonacci and touches this imbalance, then starts its mega rally. But in my opinion, it is really hard and troublesome to point out the exact moment of rally. So this is the question, what shall we do here? How to approach these problems from a trader perspective? In the second rally, you can see that price pulling back to this nice imbalance with inner support and resistance flip area. Now in my opinion and experience, this is a great location to make an entry. Actually, your first set of entries. Then, if you look at below, you can notice this price level of previous week high. What is this? A MASTERCLASS amplifier location combined with inner imbalance. A superior location to place your second order. So as your last order, this optimal trade entry with deep imbalance is a great choice. This is how you strategically set your orders and not looking for a single super trade location. Instead, we divide our orders. I think this clarifies a lot of things for you. Now let's get back to the daily chart and see the reasons why this coin rallied. In this daily chart, everything started with this very brief sweep of liquidity, which ignited these mega movements in this coin. Then the bulls took the main control, pushing the coin to fill this daily imbalance. It is strongly being pushed upwards. As you can see, price action is a very collective chart language that combines multiple time frames. You cannot just open a single time frame like 5 minutes and say I'm gonna trade only 5 minutes. It doesn't work that way. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO strategy. which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you